Hey everyone, this is Mario Malia, Director of IT for IHA. Today I'd like to show you how to download and install the 2017 Health Literacy Conference app to your smartphone. I will be using an iPhone for this demonstration. The process is very similar for an Android phone. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. Next, on this particular iPhone, we're going to go ahead and go to the App Store. We're going to locate the Health Literacy Conference app by clicking on Search. I'm going to type in Health Literacy. And the first item in your search should be the Health Literacy Conference app. As you can see, here it is. Now on your phone, since you have probably never downloaded this application, this icon right here, well, it's going to show as a download. So when you click that, it's probably going to ask you for your Apple iTunes ID and password, so you'll have to supply that. I'm going to go ahead and click the download button here. It'll take just a minute to download and install. The download speed is dependent on your internet speed, so it may take a while for it to download. As you can see, the download has completed. I can either open the application from the iTunes store here, the App Store, or I can go out and click on the application from my home screen here. The very first thing that happens when you open the application is it wants to download all the information and content for that conference. So go ahead and click on the download button. And it's downloading all the speaker information, all the agenda information, schedule, all that good stuff. The primary reason for using this application is to keep you informed during the conference. We'll be sending out message blasts and stuff to everyone just to keep everyone up to date on what is happening during the conference. Now the phone is asking me whether to allow notifications from this application. You want to click yes or allow. So I've done that. I have one unread notification that's signaled by the red bubble up there with the number 1. So I'm going to go ahead and click up there. This is your main menu. If you click on Home, that takes you back to the general screen where you can view your schedule. You have speakers information there, attendees, exhibitors, maps, posters. In other videos, we'll get into that. We'll dig a little deeper into what those functions and how they work. But initially what we want to do is we want to configure the app so it identifies you. So we need to log into this app. So I'm going to click on the menu up at the top. See how it says log in for more features? I'm going to click on that. And this app, it goes and identifies you by your first and last name. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in. First and last name. I'm going to click next. Now what the app just did is it went back and it emailed me a verification code. You want to make sure this email address here matches the email address that you used to register with. Okay, if it doesn't, you want to click on this link down here where it says not your email, help us find your registration. That's very important that it ties you back to your original CVent registration. So at this moment I'm going to go back, I'm going to go to my email, I'm going to pull up that Crowdcompass email that contains the 4-digit verification code. That's that there. I'm going to go back to the app, type in that code, hit verify, and now I get the green check marks. Notice my name is up in the top left-hand corner here. That means that the app has recognized me, I'm logged in. Now I'm ready to personalize this app if I want to. So what I can do, I can go ahead and I can look at the schedule page. Here's Wednesday, here's Thursday, Friday. Notice these events have plus signs next to them. I can add those to my own schedule. Down here it says my schedule. Click on that. It says I don't have anything in there at the moment, but I can easily go ahead and add those. And we'll cover that later on in subsequent videos. The main thing I wanted to touch upon was downloading, installing the app. The other thing you might want to do is when you go into attendees, you're going to want to personalize your attendee profile. You can add a picture, you can put in as much or as little information that you want to share with the rest of the conference attendees. So once you're in attendees, go ahead and click on this icon up here, edit profile. You can also hide yourself on the list if you want to. By going into edit profile, you can add a picture from your smartphone by choosing file here. You can set your profile to private if you'd like. You can change all this information, whatever you want to display or not display. So that's up to you. When you're done, click done. Back. And that's pretty much it for downloading and installing the app. As I said, the process is similar for the Android device. You just have to go to the Google app Play Store, so to download that and get that installed on your phone. If you have any questions or problems downloading and installing the app, I'm going to go ahead and place some links on the screen here so you can do that. It's an email, info@iha4health.org. Okay? Thank you. Bye.